Welcome in, Renegades. So we have some of the most exciting news that we have had on the channel in a very, very long time. One, the entire market was dumping yesterday and ICP went absolutely parabolic. We were able to set the weekly RSI back down to where it needs to be. So I am looking for a massive move to $20 pretty soon here. It all kind of depends on Bitcoin, but ICP, I think by the halving is going to be somewhere around $20, like around April or May. So we're getting into the crazy season of crypto right now. We also have the biggest announcement. Anybody who has been an ICP Renegades or Renegade supporter, now is the time that you reap the rewards. You already got 4 massive airdrops. You've already been part of a major community that is doing big things in ICP, that the project leaders are supporting other projects. We're building stuff. We're building for our community. We have a developer. We're trying to get them on the team full time. So we have some big news now. I'm going to give you the alpha right here. We actually shared this on a live Twitter space last night, but only for people who are there. So you get the alpha here because there was only like 5 people that heard about it on the Twitter space. So this is huge news. We didn't work with IDS, which they're great guys, but we found another developer. And here's the news. Bullish news. Oh, get out the way. Bullish news. Our demo is coming along nicely for ICP Renegades. Get ready for time trials and rewards for playing. Then we build the full game. Come support our innovative roadmap and become a Renegade. You can support us on ICPSWAP for Renegade token, and you can get your gaming skin that you will be able to use in this game once the full game is built. In the demo, you're going to use this bike. This is the demo. I've played this. You guys won't be able to play it because there's still a few things that need to be worked out. But this is cool. There's actually 3 other racers: orange, red, blue, and then player. There is a time trial. So we're going to let you guys kind of degen in, and whoever gets the fastest lap times, we're going to create like a pool, and you guys can put up some Renegade tokens, and then you can see who wins the time trial. And if you get the same exact time, we will go by if you are in first, second, third, or last place. And then we're going to integrate a wallet with this. We're going to, do rewards for top players once the game is actually built in tokens. So get over here. Let me share this post. Let's get this out to all of Twitter, guys. Let's let everybody know the big things that we are doing here. And then we're gonna have adapt to. We're gonna have some crazy things integrated with this. So definitely stay tuned. But this is huge. This demo is fun to play too. The driving mechanism works really well. So yeah, this game is gonna be great. It's gonna work out pretty well. And then we're gonna see, if this game can ever be metaverse. We might not be able to do that now that we're not working with IDS, but it's gonna be a cool, fully immersive game that you can participate in. And look what our token is doing. We got a nice amount of TVL. We have a couple different trading pairs over here, and our token is trending upwards. I mean, we've had, this big correction here and then just moved and trending upwards. So this is cool. I'm not going to do, TA because my token and stuff, but yeah, 2.9K total value locked. Volume's nice. Everything is looking pretty good. 1.25 million. You were able to get like 3 or 5 million not that long ago. And we're trending upwards. Things are looking good with the demo coming out. We just had this big push. I expect a bigger push now that all the news, is out there by the rumors. So the news, right? The demo isn't out yet. So this could be a big catalyst for Renegade token. And then actually, let's go to Entrepot real quick. I want to show you where to get this gaming skin. So that you can become an ICP Renegade. You can get your tokens on ICPSWAP. With this news, it's just crazy. Oh, I guess I deleted that. But yeah, so there's a big contest going on over here as well. Oh, come on, man. Yeah, so we sold another one. Nice. So somebody got one of the rares, but we have 2 more rares that you can get. Let's see. 500K Renegade tokens. Wait, did somebody get it? Oh, no, right here. So here's one. Number 258, it's for 4.5 ICP. You get 500K Renegade tokens for getting this rare NFT. It says Renegades on the side here. And then we have our 100% rare down here for 25 ICP. And you get 500K tokens. And then anybody who purchases one of these rare NFTs this week, we're going to release another one today, will get this. I think it's like 98% rare. Oh, I have so many NFT. Oh, it's not on this wallet anyway. But let's go. I'll show you what NFT you would get really quick here. Yeah, this one just sold. This one sold for 4 ICP. So he got 500K Renegade tokens. We also listed this one over there for 5 ICP that you can get. And then I'll show you which one you can get airdrop to you if you purchase this one. So this is our Renegade bike. This is why it's so important. There's only a few of these bikes in the entire collection, and this one has the gold helmet. It has the ultra rare bike. It has the ultra rare platform, ultra rare background, and the only thing is the shoes are not rare. So that makes it like 98%. The clothes rare. Everything's kind of rare here. And so, yeah, you could get this one airdropped. 500K Renegade tokens to each purchase of these rare NFTs. Day 2 of GTR demo celebration. Told you guys. So number 281 is the other one that we listed over here. That one already sold. So, yeah. We're getting rid of a lot of these, and all the money is going into liquidity for Renegade token, or most of it. We shouldn't say all of it because there are expenses and a donation, but almost all of it. I think it's like 7% that doesn't go in there, so like 93% goes in there for full transparency. Okay, so let's move on to some news. There is some crazy stuff happening. We've actually talked about Open FPL. It's like a fantasy football, but for soccer. And these are SNS launches that are coming up right now. These ones already passed the votes, and they are accepting contributions right now. This one needs to hit. Well, it already looks like they already hit 100 ICP. Okay, so this one's definitely going to go through 28,000 ICP. That's a nice round little number there. And then I guess this one had a lot of, backlash on it. I see Panda DAO. So I would be careful with this one. There's a lot of, crazy stuff. They just had another commitment in there, but yeah, definitely be careful. I'm not going to say good or bad on this because I didn't do research on what's going on. I've just heard some things. So definitely do your own research. And if you find out this is the one for you, then do that. But definitely looking at Open FPL though, and I'm definitely 100% looking at ICPSWAP. So this is not ready yet. You can vote on this in the voting section here, and definitely want to do that. It would be somewhere in here, or you can just go back to the launch pad, go all the way to the bottom. Oh. Okay. Oh, it already passed. So it already passed. That's upcoming launches. Okay. So it looks like it already passed the vote. Let's see. Yeah. So they're just waiting to do. That's cool. So they already passed the vote. It looks like it was executed down here. And yeah, it should be starting soon. Their minimum commitment is 300,000 ICP. That is a big number. Man. That'd be crazy if they reach 900K ICP in one little push. Let's look at the market. What is going on with the market? Everything is down, and ICP was the only crypto going parabolic yesterday. And we're going to look at this next parabolic move here in a minute. So you're going to want to stick around to the end. Smash up that like, subscribe if you haven't, and set notifications because I got to show you this now. Guys, my TA, I should have showed you this at the very beginning, my bad. My TA has been absolutely 100% correct. What the heck? Seriously? Okay, so let's go. I just want to show you guys, there's the demo again. My TA is absolutely spot on. I'm going to start with the first one, and then we can go from there. Okay, is this it? Okay, not that one. That's the one I'll go to next. Just this. So, and you can come check out this video as well. I just want to mention that I called ICP to 1050 last Saturday, and you can check that video too, or you can come check on Twitter here. I called this move exactly to 1050. I think it went to 1057. My TA has called every price level for almost every single ICP move since 333 to 1620 exactly, and then back down to 1050. And I made a lot of other calls in between there. Let's go and show you another one that I made right after this. That was last Saturday that I made that one. And then over here on the 20th, a couple days ago, when we were sitting at $11.40, I called this breakout right as it was happening, exactly to my price target at 12.20, exactly. Possible inverse head and shoulders breakout on the 1 hour for ICP. Follow and check out my channel as well. And this is why you need to set those notifications, and you need to follow my Twitter too, because I can't always post a video right when a breakout is happening. They happen so fast that I can just post on Twitter. I can post in my Telegram and open chat. So join our groups. It's very important that you join these groups so you can get these price breakouts right when they happen. This was an inverse head and shoulders. It was a falling wedge breakout. It went to the complete top of this. It went exactly to this price target. So it was beautiful. This was a really good play, and I made a leverage trade off this, and I made money. And so I've been doing that. I'm going to be trading a lot more. So I'm going to have a lot more of these breakouts for you guys. So if you want to know where ICP is going, my TA is spot on. It might be simple, but it works 100%, about 95% of the time. So I'm really looking at open chat lately. Right, because open chat has added a function to where you can video chat on open chat. Now you can have like a live stream or whatever, or a video conference. Pretty interesting. And Trax over here is on stage with open chat. Tat Russo and Luke ICP at the inaugural ICP Hub UK event in London. Why am I not following them yet? I mean, I guess they just started, but still, I mean, I should be the first one to follow them for sure. Luke, do I follow Luke? Of course I do. Tat Russo, of course I do. Open chat, of course. Okay, so this is pretty cool. Trax doing it big. Tom Stewart over there doing it big, doing big things. What's next, Trax? What is next? Are you going to do some crazy things for us? All right. Well, F Denver just happened too. So you got ICP hubs all over the world doing inaugural events, doing big things. Then we got at Denver 2024, the ICP bounty winners. They're announced now. So there was a lot of ICP up for grabs. So Definity Foundation recently concluded a bounty at Denver 2024 that brought together 20,000 developers from around the globe, tasked with pushing the boundaries of the Internet Computer Protocol through an innovative, decentralized applications. This event was divided into two distinct tracks, extending Ethereum with ICP and Open Bounty, ICP is Awesome, both aimed at exploring the vast potential of ICP to solve real-world problems and enhance the blockchain ecosystem. Look at all these guys building. These guys in their onesie-looking hats. I thought they were in onesies, but I guess they're just hats. Onesie-looking hats. So first place, Global Mine awarded $10,000 in USDC for their cross-chain dApp. The team utilized Threshold ECDSA for key management and fetched EVM on-chain data through HTTP outcalls. The problem Global Mile solves. More than half of the whole working force on the planet doesn't care about crypto. These people they care about getting their hard-earned money in their bank accounts so that they can cash it out for daily needs. So we have a gap between the crypto assets and more than half of the world population. We found a big opportunity in an unexplored industry, the shipping services. So they solve three main problems. Decentralize the drivers from companies, allowing for bigger task force to reduce the gap between supply and demand, ensuring a greater amount of daily package deliveries, immediate payments to the drivers delivering the packages. Using HTTPS outcalls from the internet computer, we can deliver the payments to the drivers using under the hood deposits directly onto their bank accounts so that they never hear the crypto word, onboarding them with a seamless experience. Token Magician, 5K. They're using threshold ECDSA, execution of transactions from within a canister to any EVM chain, and it's clean open source code with a solid use case. Okay. Traditional methods of deploying tokens on different blockchain networks often involve complex and time-consuming processes. The Token Magician deployer offers a user-friendly, secure, and efficient solution to create and deploy tokens across various blockchain networks. It simplifies complex processes, promotes interoperability, and enhances the overall accessibility of blockchain-based tokenization. Third place, Investly DCA. So they're going to be, they got 2,000. Investly tackles several key challenges in cryptocurrency investment landscape, mitigating market volatility, enhancing user autonomy, non-custodial control, reducing transaction costs, gasless transaction, streamlining investment processes, automating investments, customizable investment strategies, flexible options, empowering informed decisions, market accessibility. Investly addresses the need for a user-centric, cost-effective, and automated investment solution in the volatile cryptocurrency market, promoting a more disciplined and strategic approach to building wealth over time. So pretty cool. Wait, third place. Okay, well, I guess this one's fourth place. I think this is fourth place. Awarded 1,000 USDC, the project is a testament to the versatility of ICP, featuring a smart contract built on the internet computer with deployed canister ID and open source availability. So these are cool. Let's see, is there any more? Okay, that's the top 4 projects. Proof of reserve, proof of regular payment and fidelity, creditworthiness proof, transaction authenticity proof, income verification proof, asset backing proof. Pretty interesting. Let's look at this volume real quick. What is happening here? 323 million in volume. And look at this. I mean, we just went crazy yesterday. Everything was going down. We did go up to about 1322, back all the way down to, geez. Oh, this is a week. Okay. I was like, is this one day? No, this is a week. So we started at 13, ended up at 1050. Like I said, remember, this says 1060, but I told you that last Saturday. So that was like over here somewhere. 1050. Okay. So this is cool. This is great volume. We are number 22. We're going to be moving up these ranks. Definitely internet computer. We're going to be looking at a couple other cryptos today, CKB and Jasmy. We're going to look at those at the end, but I wanted to see what was happening over here. Now, Dominic Williams, he says he's starting a big push to improve internet computer communications. We'll rework all online content, proposing organizing chain key tech under more easily understood chain fusion banner. Is this a good idea? I say good idea myself. Medium idea, bad idea. So this is a good idea. Get over here, support Dominic Williams in this vote. So let's get it. Slovenia, what's up, Slovenia? Let's get some more chats going on, guys. We need this chat to go so we can push this algorithm. Share this on your social media too. That would help a lot. Let's get this channel pumping again, especially with all these great calls. Need your help to do it though. So the ICPCC Milwaukee Meetup, the 2024 ICP Community Conference, is a global Web3 event celebrating the third mainnet launch anniversary of the Internet Computer Protocol. This is pretty cool. May 10th, 5 p.m. to 11 p.m. Central Standard Time, free event. So you can register there. If you're going to be in Milwaukee or you're going to go to Milwaukee, definitely check this out by the swap. Hopefully we're going to get Daniel on the channel next Friday. So that's the plan, is to get Daniel on. So again, ICP Community Conference, the resurgence of the Internet Computer Protocol opens new cross-chain opportunities by Crypto Slate. About the space we had with BafinityNet, Fame 21 More, and the swap. I don't know if I follow this person. Crypto Daring. Read it here, cryptoslate.com. All right. So this is about the space. Okay. Nice, nice. Okay. Well, let's get into some ICP now. Let's get into some charting. So I'm looking at this 4 hour is looking pretty bullish. Okay, let's just get rid of all these things here. Those are my old drawings. Old drawings. They went almost exactly to it. Yeah, 1050. 1050. 1050. Okay, so there's a possible bull flag happening right here. Okay. Possible bull flag on the 4 hour. Okay. So we might actually be having another parabolic movement here. Okay, whoops. Okay, well, whatever. So yeah, if we do get this breakout with some volume, this could be a very interesting bull flag to about 1593. And that would bring us pretty close up here to our top. So, but we're going to need to see more volume. 4 hours looking good. I definitely see a nice big move up with a consolidation here. If we break this level with some volume, we could see a nice breakout. We definitely had this massive falling wedge breakout right here that we are above. And things are just looking incredibly bullish right now. There was like almost this inverse head and shoulders type deal happening right here. I mean, technically it really wasn't one, but yeah, let's move on. I want to go to the 30-minute. We're going to look at that weekly RSI, but I'm starting to look at these lower time frames now because I'm doing leverage trading, right? So I want to see, let's just get rid of all this again. Let's see what we got here. There is an inverse head and shoulders right here on the 30-minute. Let's see how we want to play this here. Inverse head and shoulders. So this is looking pretty sexy to me. This is a nice little area. So we're going to be watching this 1335 with volume and a breakout. And if we do, what's the next parabolic movement from the internet computer, man? Where are we going? What are we doing? What's happening here, huh? What is happening here, sir? So this would bring us, to the top of this right here. Look at that, at 1383. So if we get a breakout of this area that I'm going to be watching right here at 1335, we could be moving to 1383. Now let's get rid of that. Let's see if we also have some sort of a falling wedge pattern here. Breakout. Yep. So there's a falling wedge breakout already. Okay, nice falling wedge here. We tested it a couple times. I mean, you could even bring it out like this and say we haven't broke out, which would be the same thing as that inverse head and shoulders. So if this level breaks out from 330, up, we could see a nice movement, up here. This is looking pretty cool, and it could be a bull flag too. It's just looking interesting for the internet computer right now. I'm not gonna lie. Yesterday is crazy, and we're testing that volume RSI as well. But yeah, this just looks really bullish. That looks like kind of a bullish bull flag, even on the 1 hour. So just super bullish. Looks like we might have a bull flag here. We're just kind of consolidating down, and if we do break out, this could get interesting. This could get very, very interesting. The whole market was dumping when ICP was pumping. So, I mean, ICP is just tearing it out. The dominance of Bitcoin was so low. The internet computer was moving against Bitcoin, and it really helped, internet computer skyrocket yesterday. I made a lot of money on futures trading. I mean, not a lot, but compared to what I started with, like I made it, I think I made like, somewhere like 11% yesterday profit. I don't know, something like that. A nice profit. And that was on like 11x leverage too. So I made a nice little chunk of change. Let's go. And so the RSI, we could still go up with this 1 hour, but we are testing this downward trending resistance. Let's go to this daily, because this is going to be harder to read though. This daily chart, I've been looking at these and I'm trying to figure out, you know, what I can do over here on this daily. We do have this like V-shaped recovery. You know, we did test, you know, about $14-ish, 1381. But yeah, things are looking pretty bullish. If we kind of cut through, whoops. If we cut through like all of this right here, we're in a breakout on the daily of this downward trending resistance, and it turned support now. So that's pretty interesting to see that level. Now, let's see. I mean, I want to kind of say ascending triangle. I mean, we do have an ascending triangle. It's just a bigger one. And we would literally need to, like, when in doubt, zoom out, right? So can we push this down a little bit? Thank you, sir. All right. So if we start over here and we go, well, this ascending triangle, oh, look at that. So this is pretty interesting. I'm glad we did this, because now you can see where our resistance is. As you see, this is the resistance that we're facing right now. This upward trending once support line now turned resistance, right? So that's pretty interesting to see that we're hitting this big pocket of resistance here on this upward trending support line turned resistance. And it you know, getting back up into this would confirm us back into this ascending triangle. And like I said, there is a possible move back up to this $20 area. This is where I'm really looking at for the next big move for ICP. As you see, I mean, we literally go, let's just see how much percentage and see if it's possible. Let's just start at this up to this. 186% from 414 to this 1186 area. So let's do this again. Let's start from here and then go. Come on now. To there. So that's a 63%. So we have 186, we have a 63%. Let's just do this again. From this point, why do they have to put that like right in the way? So we have a 40% here. Okay, 40%. And then we could even go to the top over here from this bottom up to this top. And that's 48%. So if we do a 48% pump from the top of here, whoops, sorry about that. Okay, let's see, a 48% pump. Okay, so if we get a 48% pump, oh man, come on. From this ascending triangle breakout, which would be the top right here, up 48%. Okay, and that brings us, oh my God, man. Why, when I just move the screen, does it disappear like that, man? Stop it. Okay, up to 2283. So this is my point. Okay, if we get above this area right here, the next move, about 48%, is going to bring us to that $22.83 area. So this is the next parabolic move for ICP. I'm looking anywhere from about I'd say 1990, all the way up to this 2283.6 area. This is where I'm really looking. And yeah, now this is what, the halfway point. So 1912 is going to be a very significant area as well if we just kind of go off of that. So this could get pretty interesting. We are having a pullback now. So it looks like we might not be breaking that area at 1335, but it might. You know, ICP is super volatile right now. Let's look at this RSI real quick. Okay, hold on. Let me move this back up. Okay, so this is significant because we are above this daily RSI. We broke out of this simple moving average and we're not overbought. It's sitting right around 50, so we can go up another 20 points, which could really bring us up to the top of this wedge of that $15. So the day is looking beautiful. We reset here in a massive way. Let's go look at this weekly, because this is the one that I was a little bit worried about and concerned. As you see, we went very, very high up here, and then we ended up below this simple moving average for volume, and we did go down ever since then. Just like I said, I called this. You need to follow, subscribe, like, share, all of that stuff so that you can get these right when they're happening. I'm telling you, I'm calling every single one of these things because this is what I do. I've been doing this for 3 years. So like I've gotten pretty good at it. And as you see, this cooled off in a nice way to 63. We could make another push to $20 now before we need to reset again, go to like $23, $25, you know, go back and touch about 19, 18 for support. And then, you know, as this is going to come down, it is going to reset. So this is looking good. As you see, though, once we get under this thing, it's like, you know, peak down, peak down. So that's interesting to see. Now, this pattern just looks crazy to me on the weekly. This is just big consolidation for months. This is what's making me really think we're going to go to $20, you know, pretty soon here, is this big move up on this week. Look at that one. I mean, if we get another weekly candle like this, let's see what kind of percentage this candle gives us. So that's 135% candle in 1 week. So if we take 135% now, this is going to get crazy once we're talking about this. If we just get one more candle like that, just from the top of $16, 186. Oh my God. It's not going to let me do it. Okay. Let's, can't redo that. Got to start all over. Okay, 186%. Oh, I mean, you're talking $40 now. This is crazy. So internet, and look where that level is. Isn't this crazy? Look at that. Big support resistance level. Big. So all we need is another crazy 186% candle to skyrocket it up to $40. I'm looking, we're going to have these big movements coming, not financial advice, but dang, this is going to get interesting pretty soon. I'm excited about this bull market. I really, really am. I can't wait. This one, I'm actually pretty skilled in what I do. I can use my TA to make futures trades. You know, my TA sucked last bull market, and I didn't make a lot of money with TA. I made a lot of money dollar cost averaging holding crypto, but now I'm going to make money with my TA too. So this is looking interesting. We do have an ascending triangle here on the weekly as well. So this is long-term bullish. If we could, you know, see that $20 level, you know, but by the halving or right around the halving, I'd be happy. That's what I'm really looking to see. But ascending triangle here, and as you see, this is a big resistance level going all the way back. So, but this $20 area is going to be the top of this. We hit the bottom of this area right here. So all we really need to do, and we tested in this range right here from, you know, this 1440, and we never closed above it yet. So this 1440 area all the way up to this $23 area, we need to close a candle above this, start to turn bullish, and then we could really start to see this $23 level. And then look where the 40 is, right at the next level of big resistance support from about 32 all the way up to this $40 area. So if we do get one of those crazy candles, you know, like right here, what is this candle? Let's look at this one from the downside to see, well, hey, if we do break out in this area, look at this candle. You know, there's a lot of breakout candles in this area. So this could get interesting very, very soon. So if we just do the candle, that's a 32% move. So, okay, let's do that one next. Actually, let's do this one first, right here. This to that. So that's a 35% move. Okay, so let's do a 35% move from here up. So that's going to bring us right around that $20 area, right around 1971. So if we get a nice, legit, you know, breakout candle here, we're going to 20 bucks, period. Like we're testing everything right now. So yeah, I'm super bullish on ICP. Let's go look at CKB for a minute because my bags are pumping. I bought, you know, a nice little bag. It did go down to a nice reset point. This would have been a really good buying opportunity for CKB. This is one I'm not staking it yet. I just started using CK Bull Wallet. I was looking for a wallet to use. You know, and so I found one, but this is looking bullish. I don't think this is a bull flag, not on the 4 hour. Let's see the daily maybe. Yeah, there might be a bull flag on the daily for CKB. And I don't like to call these a lot. It could be an ascending triangle, but I've seen these happen multiple times. So I'm going to call it, you know, a possible with a possible bull flag. Okay. And it doesn't look that great. I'm not going to lie because, oh, it's trending upwards. So never mind. So if we get it down here, it could be a breakout, which would be nice because as you see, this is a big breakout level for CKB. And as you see, it did go up here to that 2.2 cents up here. So this is interesting. Do we plan on seeing a new CKB high? It looks like consolidation is happening right now. And I do think that CKB could trend upwards. But I think for right now, it is consolidating, which is good. It's kind of testing this volume, so it's going to need more volume. Let's go look at the volume for CKB real quick. CKB. Ooh, it's at 105. Good job, CKB. Let's see this volume. What is going on? Okay, 65 mil. Okay. It's under $1 billion now, which is interesting that you know, it is 103. Oh, it moved up 2 spaces. 103 at less than $1 billion. And that's a nice market cap though. For a low cap gem, anything under $1 billion, you're early. You're early to the party here. So yeah, 65 mil. Let's kind of look at the volume leading up. About 40. So 60 is not bad. Really not bad. Oh yeah, even the pump only 45 mil. So people are buying as it's going down. That's interesting to see. It looks like there's some smart people in CKB because I see a lot of cryptos when the price pumps. You see this price go way, way up, and it is going up a little bit, which is normal. But this is what I like to see in the crypto, 56, 50. Look at this just go up as the price goes down. That means people are accumulating and buying as this crypto dips down. And then as you see that volume just rises at these low levels because there's going to be a breakout level and we're heading into the bull market. So it's all about buying these dips, guys. Like you can leverage trade, you can make some nice quick trades, but the real money that you're going to make in crypto, again, not financial advice, but this is how you're going to be successful in crypto. You just buy these dips, you accumulate as much of the crypto, like have a plan. Say I want 190,000 CKB. Are you going to buy it up here, you know, to accumulate, or are you going to wait for this nice little dip down here and catch it somewhere in this area? You don't have to catch it at the very bottom. That might be hard, you know, but look, we're talking 30, 40 an hour. You had an hour and a half. Let's see, from 7:10, yeah, to about 8. Let's just say an hour and 15 minutes you had to buy this dip. So that gives you a lot of time to buy the dip. And if you couldn't get that one, it did go back down here for another one. So this is how you dollar cost average into a crypto, especially I'm bullish on CKB 100%. Like I'm going to make more videos about this. I'm going to try to get Jordan Mack over here for an interview. I'm going to expand. I'm not leaving the internet computer ever. Like there's no way to push me out of this ecosystem. I'm invested in it. I'm part of the community. I'm an OG. I help pioneer the way for marketing on the internet computer, period. I don't care what anybody says. I pioneered the way for marketing. That's what I did. So, and now I want to do the same for CKB. I want to pioneer the way people market CKB. And Six Figs already did that. So it might be kind of hard. I have my own way of doing things. So I'm going to innovate it the way that Renegades do. We're just going to do it big. CKB. This one's top of my radar. This is my second biggest holding in any crypto, and I'm buying. I already posted 2 of my buys. I'm not posting everyone, but I'm buying so much CKB. It's ridiculous right now, and it's just gone up since I bought it too. So I paid like whatever I paid, and then I've almost 25% added to my balance already. So I'm loving CKB. I wish I would have got in when Six Figs told me, but I ignored him because I just had so much going on, man. And it's my fault. He listened to me on ICP. I didn't listen to him on CKB. That's my fault. But now we listen. Now we listen. Definitely dope. So yeah, this could be a bull flag. I don't think so. Yeah. No. I mean, technically, I guess so. Dang, I didn't think it was a bull flag until it's a bull flag. Oop. Okay, maybe it is a bull flag. It's really messy, super messy. But I'm just gonna say, hey, maybe if we break out of this area, it could be a bull flag, and it doesn't even really bring us up too high on the 4 hour. Just the 2.6, it is a new high, so I could see it, if it does break out of this area. If it does break down, I'll show you where we're going to go too. And then I'll show you ICP levels where we're going to go. Not the big levels. I showed you the big levels, but let's look at the littler levels on that too. So yeah, if we get a breakout, we could see this 0.26 cents. And if we do get a breakdown, I am looking at a nice buy opportunity here at 1.9 cents. This is a good level. We're testing the top of this right now. So if we do break, this is a nice little consolidation level. But it does kind of decide a breakdown level or not. So if we go below this 196, then we could be seeing lower and a test down here with a test of 1.7. These I'm just going to be scaling in as we go down. I'm probably not going to put a lot right here. I might put a little order, but I'm going to be putting bigger orders down here at 1.6. We might not go down there again, though, but I'm going to have those orders just in case, because as you see, this is a pretty big, significant area where we, test. It's kind of like a staircase. We just kind of climb it up. So, but yeah, let's see. Yeah, there was a nice inverse head and shoulders right here. I missed. Dang it. Right here. And let's see. I just want to see if it went to the top of the inverse head and shoulders real quick. Dang, I need to be looking at CKB every day. So let's just see this breakout exactly to the top of that, dude. I love TA. It just makes sense. It's beautiful. We're going to look at Jasmine in a minute too. This is for just forfeit. Justin, all my peeps that love Jasmine. We called this a long time ago. It did have a big drop like Internet Computer, but hold on. I want to look at the weekly real quick. I haven't really studied this chart as much as I have the Internet Computer. Oh. So this is a little worrisome. I still love CKB, but I have to be honest with you guys. This might be a bull flag too, or a descending triangle. I'm going to call it as a bull flag for now. It could be a so I'm not going to call it. Let's just say, but there is a bull flag here. Okay. So we have a bull flag. What is that on the 4 hour? And then we have some sort of a bull flag on this time frame. Ooh, let's just do that. So yeah. This could turn out to be some sort of a bull flag, but if we take this up right here, we do have a descending triangle. Get rid of that bull flag. But actually, let's see where this bull flag would bring us first. Hold on. Because, yeah, that still actually looks like a bull pennant a little bit. It does have a decent triangle, but yeah. Anyway, so this could get interesting now. Okay, if we could hit 4 cents, that's double the price. So that's a what a 100%. I'm pretty sure if it doubles the price, 100%. But I just want to kind of make sure. No, oh, it's not quite double. That's why 80% though. That's an 80% move. Actually, so let's redo that because I didn't stop from the top of this. Okay. So that's an 88% move from the breakout target to the top of here. But the only thing is this weekly RSI is so over bought right now. The thing is, though, going into the bull market, you can see sustainable movements up here, but we're not really into that bull market yet. So I would like to see CKB cool off a little bit. But the internet computer had to, but I don't know about this RSI like I do the internet computer RSI. I followed that. It took me a year to be able to read that RSI to let you know as soon as we break down on this level, we are going to turn bearish. And exactly what I said happened. Okay, we went down. Exactly like I said. So I'm going to learn the CKB RSI and see if it's as important. We can kind of go back and look a little bit. And see when we're below it, yes, pushing down. So it does seem a lot of the same thing for CKB as well. And this is a very important RSI on the weekly because it determines how much volume it's going to take for us to move to the upside. And as you see, when we break out of this level, this is just a test, breakout. So it isn't about testing above this RSI. It's about a full breakout. So when we break out of this average volume, you see a massive move to the upside, and then we kind of test the downside here before a big parabolic movement. But this turns us bullish, right? This was the first sign. We're bearish here, and look at the market go bearish the whole time. Then we break out of this RSI. It turns bullish quick, but then it blasts off. So we turn bullish, and then a blast off. So turn bearish and then a dump. Turn bullish, then a blast off. So yeah, CKB is looking pretty solid with the RSI. I can do some nice evaluations of this crypto with that. So let's look at Jasmine. Let's use my skills for Jasmine. Jasmine chart. I don't know why it's not showing up on my trading view, but whatever. Whatever, dude. Jasmine, here we go. All right, Jasmine, and I'm starting to warm up on AVAX again. I might actually check into AVAX. You know, they did a lot of shady shit to the internet computer, and it kind of pisses me off. But I'm the kind of guy to forgive and forget. I actually used to make videos on AVAX before that happened. I liked AVAX. I thought it was a very good crypto. So let's let bygones be bygones, and maybe we'll do an AVAX video. Maybe it depends on what the community wants. But look at this. So I wanted to show you, compared to the internet computer, okay, you're like, why did you choose these cryptos that just pumped? They're just pump and dumps. They're scams. No. This is the Japanese Bitcoin. This is the Japanese Bitcoin. Do you get it? Japanese Bitcoin. Let's look at this RSI too. As you see, under the RSI, bearish, over it, bullish, to do the test, back under it, and then boom. See, bullish, breakout, bullish, breakout. Now I'm starting to notice a pattern here, and this is a pattern I just discovered with you guys, that once this RSI turns bullish on the weekly, we get a nice little movement, and then it tests this RSI again, and then it goes for a massive breakout after that. So turn bearish, kind of dump for significant because, you know, bear market, we already dumped a lot right here, so that one's significantly down over time. You know, this RSI didn't even start till like here because that's a 14-day. So yeah, this is a 14-week. So that's interesting to see, you know, a prolong when it gets under there, and then it doesn't take a whole lot for bullishness to a breakout. And it likes to test it first. So I want to see more stuff like this. But let's compare this with ICP. ICP had a very manipulated launch. And so people thought it was a scam. And while you thought it was a scam, we all made money because we looked at the tech and we looked at the project and we decided that this was the project for us. But as you see, this significant, I mean, I don't even want to go to the top here. It says like, you know, this is just crazy. It didn't go to $2,800. Didn't even come close to $2,800. It went to maybe $700, $600. But yeah, big dump down. That's the whole point, right? So big dump down. Why do you pick these cryptos that dump down? It doesn't matter. It's about the project. Like anything can happen where the market just goes crazy for a crypto and then it loses hype. Or it launches in the bull market and then we get a bear market. Let's just look at these times. This is 2022. Okay, October 2021. I don't know why it's probably just the US. I don't know exactly when this project launched. But if it was in October of 2021, it launched at the worst time. I think it was around before that, but I'm not sure. Maybe not. Maybe it did launch here. But then the next month in November, it went to the top. So it launched at a very bad time. So Jasmy, let's look here. It looks like we might have a little bull flag on Jasmy. It looks like everything is just bullish right now. The whole market is just resetting. That is what this looks like to me, is the market is resetting, getting ready for the next leg up. I told you we had to reset. I told you that weeks ago. And I just want you to be prepared. I'm not like, oh, I know everything. No. But when I see these things, guys, I'm going to tell you. And we're going to make some money in this bull market together. That's what we're going to do. That's what we're going to do here. So, God, symmetrical triangle. See, it's not the most beautiful bull flag either. I would like to see it come down like this. Ooh, I mean, yeah, I'd rather see it come down like this, though. Okay, something like that. But this, yeah, that doesn't work. That's like a descending broadening wedge or something. So yeah, maybe a symmetrical triangle. Possible bull flag though. Possible bull flag, bull pin it. It is a symmetrical triangle, but I've also seen these play out too. I'm looking for unconventional patterns that not everybody sees, and that's how we get the wins. But be careful, and you have to look for breakouts, and you just got to be careful and look at these price targets. So let's see, where would this bring Jasmy? I mean, it's just looking really bullish. We have these big moves. This could bring Jasmy double the price up to 4.7 cents, 4.07 cents. Yeah, and look at this level if we go back. So this is pretty significant. It touches here, tests this area perfectly. A couple, tests for a breakout and a breakdown right here. So this could be a real significant area, but look, it's also overbought. Okay, the internet computer had a nice cool off. And then look what happened. We we had this nice cool off below here under the RSI, and now we can make, oh, are we at 1353? Did we just get a breakout right now? Hold the phone. Did we just get a breakout of the inverse head and shoulders? Wait, hold on. Is that on the hour? Oh, come on, man. What is going on with my chart here? Come on, man. What is happening here? 1356. Let's go. Hold on. Let's look at this 30-minute and then that hour. Hold on. Sorry, I have this thing way wrong. Okay. So, all right. So it wasn't on the 30 hour. Let's look at this 30-minute. I think it was on 30. Yeah. So the 30, exactly. Look at this breakout. Inverse head and shoulder breakout. Actually, from right here. From right here at that level, and we called this live. So you can't get it better than this right here. Called this breakout level live. We are going to the top. It's a falling wedge. It's also an inverse head and shoulders. That's why we look at the 30-minute too. We broke out with some nice volume on the 30-minute. So yeah, we could really see. Let's just go look at this again and see where this could lead us. And we might already almost be there. So this is why it's very important to watch and share and like my channel. 1387 is a possibility, and we're at 1360 right now. We called this right here. Okay, perfect. Jasmine going up to just, man, the market is just looking beautiful right now. I'm not going to lie to you. But be careful, because you know, we like to get super FOMO-ish, but yeah, I mean, Internet Computer's killing it, just kicking butt and taking names. So I want to see that. Let's see. Let's get some EMAs out here. Let's get some levels going. So breakout, of course, we're going to have an ascending triangle right here. So breakout level, we're going to have to look at the larger time frames to tell you about that. But we do have this nice ascending triangle we're testing right now at 1360. So if we go to the top of that wedge, breakout here, or the top of the you know, inverse head and shoulders, have a nice breakout here. We could see ICP move. Let's see, to about 1381. Wait, hold on. So yeah, 1381. I guess that's the same price as the inverse head and shoulder breakout. What the heck? 1381, right up to the top of that. That's perfect. I love it. I love when things work together like that. But yeah, so let's look at the larger time frames so we can look at some levels. Okay, the 4 hour looks pretty sexy right here for us to find out what's going on. And we'll also get some EMAs. Let's do that at the same time. EMA. So get this 9 out there. Looks like we're nice above this 9. Let's look at this 25, because this is going to tell us whether we're bullish or bearish right now. This 25. The 9 does good too, but the 25. Oh yeah, we're solid right now. Solid, very, very solid. The 25. Okay, so that looks good. Now let's look at levels. Okay, 1348 was a nice little breakout. If we can close this candle above, I would say above, you know, this 1360 area, we're good. And then we could actually see another move to the upside. We could have like a cup and handle if it goes all the way up to 1392 and then starts to kind of correct. We could see a cup and handle forming on this 4 hour from all the way up here, down here for a cup, and then say we go up here and then have a retest of this level right here and then have this nice little handle that brings us up. So things are looking incredibly bullish on the 4 hour. And then if we do go down, I'm not really looking for a big pullback, but I would be looking at like this 1309 area as a big level. As you see, I fall. Whoops. See, I fall. How did that happen? Anyway, this level, as you see, this is why I draw these lines right here, and I always go look back and see, hey, is this level like significant, or is this just a new resistance and support? And you go back and look, and yes, this is going to be a very significant level. So I'm going to be watching this level if we do. I mean, it doesn't look like we're going down right now, but I have to give you these price targets, you know? So this is where I'm looking at 1272. You know, it's pretty simple how I do it, but I take time. It isn't like I just, oh, here, put a line. No, I really look at this and then I go back and I see, wow, look at this level. Pretty significant level of support, right? So this is going to be another level that I'm watching, you know, for a breakdown. I put money in, or you put in a leverage trade at these prices, and it only do leverage if you're an experienced trader and you know what you're doing, because you can get wrecked. Even me doing my TA, I still lose money sometimes. Most of the time I make money because my TA is pretty good. But even me, I've lost once out of like the 10 times, twice total. Like once, this time I've been doing it. Once I lost a lot of Ethereum, like $2,000 in Ethereum from a stupid leverage trade. I'll never do that again. I used way too much leverage. I didn't use TA. I was guessing at the price. Now I use my TA. I hit trades. I smash. I put low liquidation price, low leverage. That way, if it does go down, I can wait for that recovery and still make a profit. And that's how you do it. So, yeah, it's fun. And I love ICP. The tech is crazy. We talk about the tech all the time, you know, and I'll never stop talking about that. But the price is looking pretty interesting right now. Let's just go look at the smaller time frame for Jasmine. I know I'm kind of jumping back and forth here, but I'm trying to keep it interesting for all the new people coming here and all the people who want to see different cryptos. So yeah, on Jasmine, I would be looking. It doesn't look like, ooh, okay, on the 4 hour, it looks like there is a possible retracement happening. We do have a double top here, but I don't see it possibly even going too much further because it did touch this 2 cent marker. And that's a pretty big, significant level of support and resistance. That was resistance turned support. So I wouldn't be looking for a big breakdown unless we do go below this level and close this candle below there on the 4-hour. Then we could see this down. These are good buying opportunities. I'd have a nice big order right down here at 1.61 cents. As you see, this is a level where it wicks. This is a big level of support. But who knows? We could see Jasmine just kind of cool off back down to this 1978 and this big. So if you see this, this is an upward trending support resistance line, right? And it was able to break out of here. So I'm looking at about 1849 if we do break out. This is going to be a level that carries this up if we do break out. So this is definitely a level that I am watching. It makes more sense on the larger time frame, but let's just look at the hour. Let's get rid of everything. Yeah, we have a big double top here. You know, there's a possible move to the downside for Jasmine. Because when I see these double tops, it really makes me, you know, think it did push it down already, but this whole thing is kind of a top, and it did kind of break this, you know, M. It makes an M, right? So we have an M. It could be the bottom of the M right now, but it didn't really break down. I might be looking towards, like I would say, the 1939 level. This is where it looks like it's going to go, and it might be a nice recovery area because this is a breakout level turned support. So I think that's all we're going to have for today. Let's get in here. Yes, we have 21 people. Thank you, guys. My TA is going to make us all a lot of money, not financial advice. And do your own research. Always use your own TA, but use mine for the levels. You can definitely count on my levels. You can get on my level. Get on my level, right? We're making money here. That's it. I might show you some leverage trades when I'm up big. We'll see. We'll see. Dang, we got a lot of comments. Thank you, guys. Yes. Oh, see, the comments make the viewers go up. So, guys, always comment on the videos. Always. Slovenia. I love Slovenia. Maybe I can go one day. Martian. I wish we have live ICPCC meeting of mods of Bitcoin Renegades. If we were in the same area, we could. I guess we could stream it together. I guess that'd be kind of fun, but we'll see. How parabolic we talking? So yeah, that 20 and then that $40 level. If we can get another 108, what was that? 186% candle, then we're going to like $100. But if we see that, you know, it was 88% move or what 48%? I can't remember exactly. But if we get that move that I was talking about, it's going to be crazy. Dominic, what? You got Dominic Williams like a tweet, man. I've been working for like 3 years trying to get that man to notice me, to like a tweet or something, man. No, but congratulations, man. I'm not a hater, man. Congrats, bro. Like, cheers. That's my goal, though. What's up, man? Electronics. Okay, there was a beginning of Bitcoin, a game with named Dragon Tail. Okay. It was a casino game with use cases of Bitcoin created by eGenesis. Okay. And Darknet as grant. How could Bitcoin have a game on it? I don't get it. Must be like a CKBT, or not a CKBTC, but like a wrapped version of Bitcoin. Oh, at the beginning of a game. Oh, at the beginning of Bitcoin. I don't get it. I don't get it. Most think this is Satoshi Nakamoto or near by this people, and others think it's people like Craig Wright or other numbers anywhere. I don't think it's anybody that we know of. I think it happened during the housing crash, and I think it could be a government project or the government hired out some people, and that's why, because people are greedy. The government's greedy, but they know how to hold on to money, right? So if it was a person, unless they're no longer with us, they would cash out some of that Bitcoin. I mean, if you have $50 billion in your wallet, or however much Satoshi's million, let's look that up. How much is a million Bitcoin? What's the price of Bitcoin right now? 67? 63. Oh, dang, Bitcoin's way down. 63.7. 63.7 thousand times 1 million. That's $63.7 billion. $63.7 billion this man has. So I don't think it can be a person. It's not Craig Wright. I don't care what he says. It's not Craig Wright. If it was Craig Wright, you would show proof, right? So come on, get out of here with that. But not you, Craig Wright. Not you. Thank you for saying that. But Craig Wright, get out of here with that. Get out. You aren't Satoshi, mate. People do think that, though. Some people. All right. Oh, he said, I bought CKBTC this time, not Bitcoin. Well, it's basically the same thing. So you did buy Bitcoin, you just bought it on the internet computer. CKBTC, Bitcoin. Bitcoin's going way up. Yeah, exactly. CKB is just a wrapped version, except without a bridge. So it's like a wrapped version without your money being at risk. It's like using an ATM when somebody isn't standing behind you, holding you up, right? So you're not going to be robbed. Just kidding. That's why I'm with ICP. Honestly, ICP and Nervos are two of the most likely projects to turn. Hold on. To turn and either go down or up. Okay. Well, I mean, I don't think we're going to see a lot more down right now. I think we reset. Now, CKB is a little bit overbought, but ICP right now, I mean, that's why I was able to kind of defy the whole market yesterday. I wanted to make a video, but I was working, so I couldn't make a video. So sorry about that. Both would result in a huge uptrend. Yeah, sometimes we need a crash before a pump, 100%. Thank you for being here. If you could subscribe, that would help. Smash the like button. There is info in this live chat for you. There is, man. Thank you. Oh, he says I'm only with Bitcoin and Ethereum. Okay. Hey, El Chingon, my bro. Jasmine is a meme coin. What? Jasmine is not a meme coin? Jasmine is not a meme coin? Not at all. No, sir. Thanks for being an ICP legend and holding down the community. Thank you guys for supporting me. If it wasn't for you, like I could be making videos by myself doing nothing, making all the money. That doesn't make sense. But yeah, I have to hold down the community, man. You guys support me so much. How could I not? Like for real. And we're building the demo. We're doing everything that we said. We're making you money. We're making you money with our project, and we're providing utility. Providing you, I can't say you're making money, but we're doing our best that you can succeed. Got to watch what I say sometimes. If the buying pressure plays out and it breaks 16, there will be a correction back to 1278. Okay. King Love hitting it with the TA today. Just because there are a lot of people shorting at the moment because they got bad advice. So people shorting ICP, like I shorted, the other day, but that was just because we had a big pump and then I knew we were going to retrace. But I never make a long-term short bet on ICP ever. If you're trying to make a long-term short bet on ICP, you're in the wrong area. You're in the wrong section, the wrong sector. You need to, but yeah, don't short ICP unless you're doing a quick, scalp trade or whatever. Just get some money and get out because you will get wrecked. I called it solid green better blah blah. What? Oh, Josh Yellen. Okay. Tepper. I called it solitary better blah blah. You're funny, man. This guy's funny. Okay. Yeah, Pulse Chain. I've never been a Richard Hart guy, never been a Pulse Chain guy, but they might be doing some interesting stuff. I don't know. I'm kind of looking to Crypto Wendy O for advice on Pulse Chain, if I should buy it or not. Because it's Crypto Wendy O. She knows, so maybe check her out about Pulse Chain. I don't know about Pulse Chain. Never even looked into it. BitTorrent. Yeah, that's kind of risky, but hey, BitTorrent is kind of a TRX token, so not bad. Check my info that I wrote. Oh yeah, I did. I think I did. I hope. Bitcoin start. Oh, a game? Okay. I think I heard something about. Now that you say that, I think I did hear something about a game. I don't know. I hear so much stuff, man. All right, one man army was some signs and messages with Satoshi. Okay. And don't forget to smash that like button, guys, because if you do, I might make up-to-date videos, not just, you have to follow my Twitter, though, because right when I see breakouts like you saw live on the video today, we saw a breakout of my price target, of my pattern that I showed you right during the live stream. If you want more of those, definitely subscribe and hit the notification bell, because I'm going to try to make a video, but if I'm working or something, I can only do a quick tweet. That's it. Like I can tweet out, boom, breakout, follow my Twitter, and you'll get those. So, all right, guys, that being said, goodbye and good ICP. Bang!